Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create such a pass in Please Donate so people can donate to you and you can get Robux. Now the first thing that we want to do is just load up Roblox, the Roblox website I mean, and here what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on create. From this thing that pops up, you might need to click on dashboard just so you're taken to this place, and you should see your experience here even if you haven't created any, and just click on it. Now from the left hand side we want to scroll down until we see the option for passes. Click on passes and here you will see an option create a pass. Simply click on it, and here I'm going to show you how we can create one for free. You can change the image if you want to, or if you don't want to, you don't have to add any images. We have to set a name for it, so I'm gonna call it free pass. And then here description is also not mandatory. We can click on create pass. So after we have created the pass, what we need to do next is just click on it and go into sales, and here we have to toggle item for sale and we have to set the price. So for example, if we want to do 20 Robux here, it's going to give us 70% of that, which is going to be 14, and we can save changes. And now if I go back into Roblox and I update my stand here, I can just update it. As you can see, we get the new pass as well. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.